Bad review got you spiraling? Well, here's the guest-friendly way to respond with class. Learn how to protect your vacation rental's reputation without sounding defensive. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss a future episode. If you're a vacation rental owner juggling guest turnover and five-star standards, this one's for you. Today, we're unraveling the awkward art of bouncing back from a bad review without losing your mind or your mojo. Spoiler alert, there's a killer tip near the end that'll flip your response strategy on its head, so make sure you stick around. Bad reviews happen. Now what? Picture this. You wake up, coffee in hand, expecting another 5-star pat on the back. And here it is. A 2-star review titled Disappointed. Ouch. The thing is, even the best hosts get bruised sometimes. A rogue hair on a towel. A fridge that hums louder than a saxophone solo at 2 a.m. It happens. Now here's a quick quiz for you. What's worse than a bad review? A bad response. You looking for weekly engagement? Listen to the Vacation Rentals Resolutions podcast. You can find a link in the show notes. Okay, here's what you do step by step. Step 1. Don't panic and don't punch your keyboard. Give yourself 24 hours. Rage clean your sink. Eat a biscuit. Do anything but reply immediately. Bad reviews tap into something primal, but responding emotionally is like throwing water on a grease fire. It only spreads. Think of your reply as a public performance. You're not just talking to the reviewer, you're talking to every future guest who reads your response. Step 2. Acknowledge without agreeing. Start with gratitude. Yep, really. For example, thank you for your feedback. I'm sorry your stay didn't meet your expectations. That doesn't mean you're admitting to guilt. It's showing that you care, even if you don't completely agree. It's diplomacy for hospitality folks. Want to see a real-world example? A guest once gave one host a 3-star because it rained all week. She replied, "We'd offer sunshine on tap if we could. Thanks for your visit. We hope next time brings better weather and the same comfy bed." That's gold. If you're interested in more examples like this, check out the Vacation Rental Resolutions YouTube channel. You can find a link in the show notes. Step 3. Spot the gift in the gripe. Not all complaints are rubbish. Some are uncomfortable gifts. That dripping tap, the cleaner who missed a spot. Use the review to improve systems. In the Launch Your First Vacation Rental course, we talk about building resilience into your operations. Bad reviews? They're part of the feedback loop that sharpens your service. Ask yourself, was there a miscommunication? Was something overlooked? Can this be prevented in the future? Treat criticism like compost. Smelly? Yes, but also growth fuel. Step 4. Keep it short and shine on. Don't get defensive. Don't write a novel. Future guests aren't looking for a courtroom drama. Stick to this formula. Thank them. Acknowledge issue. Mention action taken, if applicable. Invite them back, if you're feeling generous. For example, we appreciate your honesty and we are reviewing our check-in process. We hope you consider giving us another try in the future. That's it. No, but actually, just class and clarity. Step 5. Bury the bad with the brilliant. One bad review won't take you, but 10 silent happy guests will. Make it easy and enticing for guests to leave glowing feedback. You don't have to beg, just ask with heart. Include a gentle nudge in your checkout message. If you enjoyed your stay, we'd love your review. It helps small hosts like us thrive. Pro tip: review follow-up systems are built into the Build Your B&B from Dream to Doors Open course. If you want done-for-you templates, that's your next step. What is the strangest review you've ever received? Drop it in the comments. Here are your key takeaways. Don't reply in the heat of the moment. Thank the guest, even if it hurts. Keep your response short and gracious. Use the review to improve operations. Encourage more reviews to outweigh the bad. You're not just renting a rental, you're building a reputation. Every review, good or bad, shapes your story. But bad reviews don't break you, they build you. Handle them with grace, humor, and strategy, and guests will notice. Do you want more help creating a business that shines? Check out the Launch Your First Vacation Rental course. It's packed with smart systems, copy and paste scripts, and review-saving tactics. To read more like this, head over to the Vacation Rental Resolutions blog and check out why personalizing guest experiences is the secret ingredient to vacation rental success. Episode 28. Now don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss future episodes. And hey, if you like what we do, feel free to buy us a coffee. It fuels the next blog post.